Hi, I'm Jason Salad. I'm going to be showing you how to make Mămăligă. It's a recipe from my wife's country of Romania, though I'm English. And to just annoy her, because she keeps substituting stuff, I'm going to make it Mămăligă verde. So first of all, put a little water into your touch, which is a traditional Romanian mămăligă pot. Sprinkle in a little of the mămăligă, just to get it going. Now, this isn't quite the traditional bit, but I'm adding some spirulina to make it green. You don't actually have to do this, but I'm enjoying making my wife laugh and cry. A pinch of salt to season. And give it a good stir and let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Right, so keep adding the malai, which I've been calling mămăligă until I've just been told off. And keep on stirring and stir until your arm drops off, and eventually it'll thicken. And now that it's stiffened and it's getting really hard to stir, we're going to tip it out onto the fund, which is the recipient for the mămăligă that we just made.